Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. After that, I will give you congratulations for the all Muslims in the all world to become Islamic Emirat in Afghanistan. And also, I will give you congratulations for those people that they are present here. And I will give congratulations for all those mujahideen that they are living before live in the mountain of Afghanistan. I will give especially congratulations for them. And I will give you congratulations for the victory in the our world in Afghanistan. And this victory and this congratulations not for only Afghanistan and for the people of Afghanistan,